Good morning, fam. You didn't just wake up, you showed up, and that already sets you apart. If you're feeling stiff, heavy, or like your body's still stuck in yesterday, this is your reset. Because right now, that tightness isn't just in your muscles, it's in your nervous system. And this flow is built to release both. You're about to stretch the part of your body that most people skip, yet it controls your posture, your breath, and even your energy. By the time we hit the final move, you'll feel taller, calmer, and more in control of your body. Let's hit the mat. This move sets the tone, dynamic, energizing, and functional. Starting downward dog. Inhale and lift your right leg straight up. Press through your palms, square your hips. Exhale and hold. You'll feel the stretch through the back of your hamstring and glute, while your right leg reaches tall. Beginners, bend the base knee slightly. Advanced stretches, pulse the lifted heel for added glute activation. This move fires up your posterior chain and gets blood flowing through your entire spine. Later, we'll build on this to open the hips even deeper. Hold this lift 5 seconds with total stillness. Can you keep your hips level? If not, don't worry, you'll get there. That woke up your hamstrings. Now let's switch sides and balance it out. This side might feel completely different, and that's exactly why we're doing it. Lift your left leg, drive your right heel down. Keep both arms strong and firm. Let your breath guide you. Beginners, keep the hips lower. Advanced stretches, add a tiny ankle circle at the top. This move improves balance by activating your core without a single crunch. Your hips are starting to loosen, but the next stretch goes even deeper. Can you find stillness while everything is working? Are you holding your breath? Exhale into the stretch. Now that your hamstrings are awake, let's get into the hips where real tension lives. This one's subtle, but it unlocks so much. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Pull your left leg towards you, threading your hands behind the thigh. Relax the shoulders and breathe. Beginners, keep the foot on the floor. Advanced stretches, gently press the right knee away. This move targets your piriformis, a deep muscle that often triggers lower back pain. We'll build on this stretch with rotation next. Hold for 5 seconds and soften your jaw. Are you feeling it in your glute or your knee? It should be in your glute. Adjust it if it's not. Switch sides, your hips deserve balance. We're about to even out your hips and release the lower back. Notice the difference between the two sides. One is almost always tighter, and this is how we fix that imbalance. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh. Keep your shoulders down, breathe into your hip, not your chest. Beginners, use a strap or towel to assist. Advanced stretches, add gentle side-to-side rocks. This position also decompresses your sacrum, helping relieve head and pelvic tension. Go one breath longer than you think you can. Did your back just pop gently? That's your spine realigning. You just opened up deep hip tension. Now let's move and twist. This one combines spinal mobility and deep hip opening in one powerful move. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, left hand on the ground. Right arm reaches up. Look up towards your fingertips. Beginners, keep the back knee down. Advanced stretches, hover the back knee and twist deeper. Your spine needs rotation in the morning. It hydrates your discs and boosts circulation to your brain. You'll notice better posture after this, especially when we add the neck stretch. Reach 1 inch higher for the last 5 seconds. Are you twisting from the waist or ribs? Go deeper. Now let's unlock the other side to feel totally centered. You know what's coming, but that doesn't mean it'll feel the same. This side holds its own story. Let's unlock it. Step the left foot forward. Right hand on the mat, left arm reaches to the sky. Push down through your front heel. Let your heart follow your fingertips. Beginners drop the back knee and stay tall. Advanced stretches keep the back knee lifted and twist deeper. Did you know that this twist is known to fire up digestion and reduce inflammation first thing in the morning? Yeah, that's right. The next stretch is subtle but powerful. You'll feel it in the places that really get attention. Try closing your eyes for 5 seconds while holding the twist. Can you still stay balanced? Is your chest open or collapsing? Pull your shoulder back just 1 inch. That's your spine, hips, and shoulders talking. Now, let's fix your posture. You've been stretching the back. Now it's time to open the front. Clasp your hands behind your back. Pull them down and away as you lift your chest. Keep your chin slightly tucked. Breathe into your ribs. Feel your collarbones rise. Beginners, use a towel if you can't clasp your hands. Advanced stretches, lean forward slightly while holding the stretch. Here's another surprising fact. This opens your lungs and repositions your rib cage for better breathing and energy throughout the day. Our final stretch will ground you, soothe your nervous system, and reset your lower body. Can you keep your arms straight and chest proud for 5 more seconds? Are you holding tension in your jaw or neck? Breathe it out. You just reclaimed your posture. Let's finish with one of the most powerful full body stretches. You made it. Now let the body melt into stillness. Sit tall, legs straight. Inhale and reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Let your hands fall wherever they land. Knees, shins or toes. Beginners, bend your knees slightly. Advanced stretches, flex your feet and deepen the fold with each breath. Here's a little surprising fact. This pose activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest state. That means less stress, more calm. With each breath, can you go 1 inch deeper? Are you pulling or relaxing into the stretch? Let gravity do the work. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.